medyo mahaba yung week today. So, pinik up ako ni hubby. And then we're gonna get some gas for the car. And then I'm gonna take the car to work na mag-isa. We're gonna go to the Alaska Wild Berry real quick. Kasi, saan ba yung Alaska Wild Berry? I think it's right here. Okay. Oh yeah, we're gonna go to Alaska Wild Berry. But I think we're gassing up first. Just checking some chocolates there. Tingnan natin kung may nakasil na fresh chocolates doon sa Alaska Wild Berry. And I'll show you around. Kaya I stepped outside. Tinuruan niya ako mag-gas. Kasi di ba sa Pilipinas, lagi tayo may naglalagay tayo ng gas. Dito kasi kanya-kanya. KKG, kanya-kanyang gas. Grabe, parang ang lamig pa rin. Sabi mag-snow later. So hopefully hindi mag-snow kasi mag-drive ako mag-isa. Yep. Ayun yung peanut farm. And then we're going to Alaska Wild Berry for just a bit. So yeah, if hindi ko matapos ng vlog na to, then we'll continue the next couple of days. But yeah, just wanted to vlog and catch up with you a little bit. I need to go back to work within an hour. So yeah, malapit lang naman lahat dito sa Anchorage. So I'm not really worried about the time. We are here.
I wonder if I should park on this side.
We're here. Hi, hubby.
Hey.
Hey. We are back. I'm looking for chocolates. They have a lot of chocolates right now. Ooh. Grab the basket. Yep. I better get this one. I'm just gonna get one. One. And then one more. Let's see. Get this. What did you get there? They have a lot of samples, see? It's a beautiful day. Hey, Gorge. Today is a Thursday. Malapit na weekend. Start ko lang yung car. Ako ay magla-lunch. Uwi muna ako. So, off ni hubby ngayon Thursday and I will actually go to lunch. Nagluto ako ng lasagna. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya pag-uwi. So, drive muna tayo. Hey, Gord. Sinaas ko muna yung buhok ko. So, nagluto tayo ng lasagna kanina. Ayan siya, guys. Hindi ko na parang nasunog yung cheese. Parang basic, normal lasagna lang. Hindi ko na masyadong inuayan kasi nga, kaninang umaga, medyo late tayo nagising. Tapos, dinifrost ko na yung meat. Tsaka mag-Holy Week din. Mag-iiwas na kami mag-pork, kasi mga karne. Tapos mag-ano kami corn, potato. So baka mag-grocery tayo this weekend ulit. So hindi ko alam kung Walmart or magko-Costco tayo. But kakain muna kami, guys. Gorge. Yummy naman siya. Very yummy. Good morning, Gorge! Today is Saturday. So, obviously, wala tayong kaayos-ayos. Late tayo gumising. Bumawi ako ng tulog. At syempre, nakapagligpit tayo ng ating bed. And today is a beautiful day. Look at that. See? Ang ganda ng araw. And then, si Makara hanapin natin. Ayun si Makara. Hello, Makars! Oh, she's enjoying the sunshine. Oh my gosh, very pretty. Beautiful day at beautiful Makara. So, in today's ganap, ano lang tayo, siguro lalabas ako mamaya after 2 p.m. na. I don't know if I'll go to Walmart. Although na-grocery na kami last week, may mga ibang items pa akong bibilhin ng mga non-grocery, non-food items. Tsaka, Lent na kasi, so we'll try to fast. Wala kaming karne, chicken. Gusto ko kumain ng chicken pero hindi ata siya pwede for Lent. So, puro kami seafood, vegetables, and it's also for us naman, para rin sa health namin ni hubby. So, anyway, remember, last time, I did a vlog doon sa, in order kong, what I call these curtains na sage green. I've already put it up last night. Super happy at na-steam ko siya. Although, hindi perfect yung pagkaka-steam ko, pero super happy ako. And gustong-gusto talaga ni hubby yung sage green. So, let me show you. So, ito yung aming new curtains. Pero iniwan ko na lang dito sa middle yung sheer na curtains ng white. Malinis naman yan. Tapos, Sinasanitize ko yung lagi. Pero ito, bagong-bago to na ano ko na siya, na-sprayan ko na. So, ayan yung aming new curtains na sage green. And then, feeling ko nag-match talaga siya dito sa ano na to, sa olive tree na ito, diba? So, ayan, excuse lang yung malikpayin box and yung play stuff ni Makara. Kasi, again, hindi pa kami totally nag-spring cleaning. Okay, in-explain ko lang. And then, this side as well. So, yung pillows, hindi ko na pinalitan. Ay, pilitan ko pala yung isang pink na may design na gnome. Pero, ayan, okay lang siya para hindi siya plain na green or white. Okay lang makulay. Like what I said, basta masaya at pleasing sa inyong eyes, okay lang yan. So, ayan, di ba parang gumanda, para naging presko lalo ang aming tahanan. So, ayan. So, ayun, gorge, aming curtains. Mag-breakfast muna. Actually, brunch na kasi mag-12 na. Late na nga ako nagising. So, pag uwi ni Habi ng 2 p.m., siguro 2:30, punta ako ng Walmart. Punta ako ng Diamond Area. I don't know. Dami ko gustong i-visit, pero priority ko talaga this weekend is to get some rest, check on my work emails, and yeah, watch Netflix at magka-catch up tayo sa mga ano ng SB19. So, shout out kay Sis Christine kasi baka marit kami ng concert. So, ayun, thank you so much. I'll catch up with you later today. George, good afternoon. So, good evening na. It's past 6 na pero may liwanag pa rin. I'm so happy na we're getting more light here in the US, here in Alaska specifically. But anyway, hindi na ako pumunta sa store today, Gorge. Guys, Gorge. I just decided to have the items delivered kasi meron naman ako free delivery from Walmart. Anyway, I'm cooking something. I'm making some Korean corn. It's past 6 and I'm making something for me and hubby. So, later, hopefully, once the orders or groceries arrive, then I'll go ahead and do a quick haul for you. Gorge, medyo inaantok na tayo. Pero dumating yung Walmart delivery natin ng 9:30 p.m. kasi meron siyang time frame or timeline. So, papakita ko yung mga in-order namin today sa Walmart. Gorge, sorry, medyo inaantok na. Pero papakita ko sa inyo isa-isa ay sa Makara. Yung milk, very cold pa siya. Galing siya sa fridge pa talaga. So, lalagay ko muna siya sa fridge and then the rest, I'll show it to you. So, Gorge, hindi na ako umamit ng tripod. Ito yung mga pinabili sa Walmart. Papakita ko sa inyo, guys, yung mga laman nito. So, yung unang laman is, finally, pwede na sila mag-deliver ng eggs. Kasi last time, when I was trying to order something online na eggs, hindi pwede. So, thank you, Jesus. At meron na tayong eggs. At sana ay walang basag, no? Perfect. Ang mahal na eggs ngayon, like $5 or $6 one dozen. And then, I got this one. Super lamig pa. So, Coffee Mate na Kit Kat. Alam kong matamis to, pero try lang natin. I got butter. Ayan. Panluto. And then fresh strawberries. Lalagyan ko siya ng salt mamaya at lilinisin natin sa ating sink. We have fresh onion rings, Gorge. Gasan ko yun mamaya. Grabe, super happy ko kasi maganda rin magpa-deliver sa Walmart, especially if you're not feeling well, when you don't feel like driving. So, kasi kanina, gusto ko talaga maglinis lang, tapos mag-laundry, mag-fold. So, tomorrow, I'm not sure if I'm gonna go out. So, kita nyo naman, very cozy lang ako sa aking hoodie, sweater. So, ayan, papakita ko pa yung ibang pinamili ko or in-order namin ni hubby. Meron tayong potatoes. So, potatoes, gagawa ko ng garlic potato. I got light brown sugar. Kailangan namin yan for cooking. And then I have vegetable broth. Sugar-free na Smuckers para sa peanut butter and jelly. We got some bread right here. Mushrooms. So, isa-sanitize ko to later, Gorge. Sa mga non-food, bili ko ng cotton pads, wet wipes para sa aking office at para sa bahay. And the pinakamahalagang deodorant ko ng Tropical Paradise. I think this is a new one. Invisible Solid Anti-Staining. Kailangan ko to. And Tropical Paradise may pineapple. So, I'm excited to actually use this one. See? And then, feminine wash. So, thank you naman. At nilagay nila yung feminine wash sa plastic before ipa-deliver dito. And then, I know you probably know by now that we usually get our toilet paper sa Costco, pero ayoko nga pumunta muna ng Costco kasi kakagaling ko lang doon. So, toilet paper na Angel Soft, okay naman to. Pero mas makapal yung sa Costco, syempre. And then, Caribbean Colada para sa aming car. Ayan, mas gusto namin yung ganito. Ayaw namin nung kiniklip sa aircon kasi nakakasira daw yun. But anyway, ito yung binili namin ni Hubby or in order namin for our car. Tayong bottled water. And then the total amount na pinamili ko today is sa $78. So, not bad. Ang dami ko nabili. Yun lang, gorge. Wala naman ako masyadong ganap today. I just wanted to show you the items that I got from Walmart. And then mamaya, pagka-sanitize ko, lagay ko sa fridge yung makalalagay sa fridge. And tayo ay matutulog na. So, maybe tomorrow, I'll catch up with you tomorrow. I might go somewhere, go to Mom's house, Mama Mirna's house, and hopefully go to, sana makapunta ako ng Lowe's or makapunta ako ng, what do you call this, Lowe's or makapunta ako ng Home Depot. So, sa kabilang side naman. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!